little artists, and welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we have something extra special in store for you. We're going to learn how to draw the most adorable rainbow cake. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. First, grab your trusty black marker pen and a blank sheet of paper. We'll start by drawing two fluffy clouds at the top. These clouds are going to hold up our beautiful rainbow. There we go, joining the clouds with a rainbow. Perfect! Now, let's add some creamy goodness right beneath the clouds. And now, let's create the body of our cake. It's starting to look scrumptious. What's a cake without a little love? Let's add some cute hearts to our cream.
Wow!
Let's make those lines bold and crisp. Amazing! It looks fantastic. But wait, what's still needed here? Ah, yes! It's time to add some personality to our cake. And don't forget to give our clouds some friendly eyes and a sweet smile. They're excited about the rainbow cake too.
Cool!
Now that we've finished our drawing, it's time to add some color. Are you ready for a delightful story about a rainbow birthday cake while we color? Once upon a time, in a small, cozy town, there lived a little girl named Mia. Mia had a heart as colorful as a rainbow, and her birthday was just around the corner. She had a special wish for her upcoming celebration, a rainbow birthday cake. Mia's mom was a talented baker who could whip up the most extraordinary cakes. When Mia shared her wish for a rainbow cake, her mom couldn't have been more excited. She set to work, collecting all the ingredients she needed for the most magical cake Mia had ever seen. On the morning of Mia's birthday, Mia's mom began to bake. She mixed the batter and divided it into 7 colorful portions, each representing a different color of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, they all stood ready to be transformed into something extraordinary. One by one, Mia's mom poured each colored batter into a round cake pan, creating layer upon layer of vibrant, rainbow-hued goodness. The kitchen was filled with the sweet aroma of baking cake, and Mia could hardly contain her excitement. As the layers cooled, Mia's mom prepared the frosting. She mixed fluffy white frosting with a touch of magic. When she spread it over the rainbow layers, it glistened and sparkled like morning dew on flower petals. It was as if Mia's wish for a magical cake had come true. The cake was a masterpiece, but there was one final touch that Mia wanted to add: rainbow sprinkles. She carefully adorned the cake with colorful sprinkles, making it even more enchanting. Mia's friends and family gathered in their garden to celebrate her special day. When Mia's mom brought out the rainbow birthday cake, everyone gasped in awe. It was a work of art, a cake that seemed to capture the very essence of joy and happiness. As Mia made a wish and blew out the candles, a magical thing happened. The candles sparkled and danced with colors, just like a rainbow in the sky. Mia's wish had indeed come true, and her rainbow birthday cake had brought a touch of magic to her special day. The first bite of the cake was pure delight. Each layer tasted like a different flavor of happiness, and as Mia savored it, she felt like she was tasting a piece of pure joy. Mia's birthday became a day to remember, not just because of the magical cake, but because it was filled with love, laughter, and colorful memories. Mia learned that sometimes wishes do come true, and the most beautiful things in life are the ones we share with the people we love. And so, in the little town, the legend of Mia's rainbow birthday cake lived on, a reminder that sometimes magic is as simple as a wish and a dash of love in every layer of life. I hope you had a blast drawing and coloring along with us today. Remember, it's all about having fun and being creative. Keep practicing your art, and you'll amaze everyone with your talents. Thanks for joining us here at Toddlers Art Hub. We can't wait to see your colorful creations. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun art lessons and stories. And as always, keep spreading the joy of art with your amazing creations. And there you have it, our adorable rainbow cake is complete, and it looks good enough to eat. Until next time, happy drawing and coloring, my little artists. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.